Want to show off my customized self-cleaning, self-refilling fountain. So when the sprinkler timer kicks on, the sprinklers like that, the bubblers, I have one in here that comes on and agitates the water and starts refilling from the evaporation. Whatever water spilled and evaporates, it fills it until it gets to this level right here, which is basically full. It flushes the mosquitoes out and stuff, mosquito eggs and some of the dirt. And once it gets to that level, it waters the plants through here. It comes to this pipe, and you can see where the water comes out. That's coming from the fountain. So the fountain gets flushed every day when the sprinklers come on, and it goes all the way along here, pipe all the way to the end, and you can see where it's watering the flowers. So every day when it fills, it flushes and keeps it clean. And then at the bottom, of course, I have a rubber drain plug you pull out for flushing any built up dirt in the bottom of the fountain. Pretty proud of it. It's a lot of fun to rig it up. The yard turned out really nice. Got grapevines growing there. And this is our yard. We finished it, and now it's time to move. Get it all done, and then you sell it. Turned out really nice. Time to move on to something bigger and better.